Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway Jong pi. Nakabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam ya pi. Yasno but ka ICA.
Ka Executive Council jika North Eastern Hill University kan salong haklay potrik ujumang arajar pausan hanong ba Delhi banyak kira ni Kynram hapo kani ka school ba. Ya kanila pentip do MP ka Rajya Sabha nam bigelaya Dr. WR Kharluki hagajing kran bigilat pathai kubor haka penduduk ujumang arajar pausan hadi gajingwan phai na ka program lapenlong school ba Nehu. Dr. Kharluki uloang bagajinglong jingman school ba Nehu kelas dang banwan phai sya gajinglong jai government chua hadi gaji shimti jong Professor Sherwin Me Sungo kum ka acting vice chancellor.
Today I came from a function in Nehu. So that I think a few officials, there's 2 officials came or 3 officials came. They met the vice chancellor, acting vice chancellor. They met the teachers and all this. So I think the government is already in touch. They're going to have on the 30th. I think there's the council there in Delhi. So I think something is coming out.
So something is coming out means do you foresee the change in vice?
No, that I don't know because they're calling them. So I thought when they call them there, but something is coming out. So now with the acting vice chancellor, it is improving. Today we're having a meeting. Students were there, then teachers were there. It was the Nehu Foundation Day today. So it's improving. Means at least it's normal as it is with the acting VC. You see, the thing is, let us wait for only a few days. So we'll see the outcome of that, only then we can decide what we want to do. I think it's convened by the authority in Delhi because they're going there, so I don't know. That was what I was informed.